Hi friends, Katie here. I'm going to teach you how to make a sugar scrub. It's one of my ultimate favorite things to make for myself and for my friends, because it's actually super easy and so incredibly rewarding. You only need a few things. You need 4 tablespoons of carrier oil, 1 cup of cane sugar, or 250 mils, your essential oils for a total of 10 drops, and optional botanicals, but it's not optional, just put it in. You'll love it. Kind of treat it a little bit like baking. You do all your wet ingredients first, followed by your dry. You start with your essential oils, so that's our 10 drops. What I chose to do today is a smoky Earl Grey blend, so lots of fun there, very relaxing. To create that blend, I'm going to do 2 drops of Balsam of Peru, which is a vanilla-like scent with smoky undertones. You can also use benzoin if you like. Then I'm going to do 3 drops lavender, and then our shining star in the blend, 5 drops bergamot. All right, so for things like Balsam of Peru and benzoin and vanilla, they are a little bit viscous. So you want to kind of just remove that orifice reducer, take it right off the bottle, use a pipette. 1, 2, 3 drops lavender. 1, 2, 3. And then 5 drops bergamot. 1, 2, 5. Swish the bowl around a little bit, get those mixed together. Next, we're gonna do our carrier oils. Today, I have chosen apricot and jojoba. I like these oils because they're really good for folks with sensitive skin. Jojoba and apricot both are quite stable. Jojoba specifically is super duper stable. And it also helps the production of sebum. So if you're oily or dry, it'll help balance you out. So yeah, they're really, really nice oils. So we're going to do 4 tablespoons all together. So this is kind of that liquidy portion that makes that sugar easy to put on. You're not just slapping dry sugar on your body. Each one of these cups that I have in my hand is 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon is 15 mils, in case you're wondering. So I'm just gonna do equal parts jojoba and equal parts apricot, just because I feel like it. You can have fun and kind of mix and match your carrier oils as you choose. So fill her up, dump her in. Fill her up, dump her in. All right. Next, you're going to want to mix all your liquids together. Handy dandy spatula. Mix that up. So yeah, all the essential oils marry quite beautifully with the carrier oils, and this is going to ensure that the essential oils themselves are evenly dispersed throughout your sugar scrub. So you don't have one big lump of essential oil and then you're like, ow, it burned me. And just like in baking, you're not going to just drop that all in. You're going to nice, gentle sprinkle, put a little bit in there, mix her up, ensure that that's completely evenly mixed. Next little sprinkle. Oh, let's put the rest in. Mix that all up. Yeah, spatula works really, really nicely because you can really get onto the edges of the bowl to make sure everything looks nice and wet. No dry patches of sugar left over. All right, so this is where you can potentially stop and just put it in your jar. You can also choose many a fun jar. A mason jar is lovely. These are just nice salt jars, nice wide mouth, easy to work with. Next, you're gonna add your botanicals. I have in front of me dried rose petals and lavender buds. So the rose petals are they're pretty solid. If you can kind of see there, pretty big chunks. So what I like to do, because they're already nice, dry, and crispy, you just rub them together, kind of just make them a little bit smaller, and oh, look at that, isn't that pretty? And then, you can't do that with lavender because it's a full bud. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of lavender. Mix her all together. So this is the fun part. Like if you were doing, say, a rosemary mint scrub, you could throw some mint leaves in there, some eucalyptus leaves, you know, kind of make it themed. If you wanted to do primarily citrus oil, so throwing in some dried calendula petals for that kind of thematic color. Just have some fun with it at this part. Another really cool thing you could totally add is a sprinkle of leftover coffee grounds. That's invigorating to the skin, smells great, and is an extra scrubby texture. So yes, now it's all mixed together. All your little botanicals are nice in there evenly, and it's just time to put her in your jar. This can get tricky. It's okay if you make a mess. I wear an apron. Ooh, Ooh, it starts to look a little full. Give her a little tap, tap. She'll move down. Get the rest in there. Smoosh her in. This is also why nice, clear jars are so pretty, because then you can just see your product. Isn't it beautiful? All right, go have a shower, guys. Scrub and enjoy. See you later.